Hi, welcome to the latest edition of HDTV. I'm Stacy Shoemaker-Rowan, Editor-in-Chief of Hospitality Design Magazine, and welcome to the beautiful Four Seasons Resort, Rancho Encantado in Santa Fe, New Mexico. So excited to be here. And this edition is sponsored by Bernhardt Hospitality. So thank you to our partnership with them. So I'm here with Melissa Sims, the general manager of the property, and Nicole Langlois, who's the designer of the property. So thank you so much for being here.
Thanks for having us.
All right, so Melissa, let's dive in.
All right.
So tell us about the property. What does it mean to Santa Fe? And this is the first renovation since 2008, right?
Correct. So this property is iconic. It's been around since the early 1900s. It's had many fantastic owners. The most recent one was Betty Egan, who we all love, a good woman in leadership.
Yep.
And she named it Rancho Encantado. So we wanted to honor her iconic nature and the party she threw here and just the beautiful scene that she created with this new version of Rancho Encantado, which is where Nicole has come in.
Amazing. And Nicole, what was your overall design inspiration for the property, and how did you approach redoing such an iconic one?
Whenever I start a project, I like to do some research on the locality and kind of look at the history and look at the culture. And so I started this project looking back at Santa Fe design and Adobe style. And so that brought me to the idea of modernism and just the idea of purity and simplicity in design and stripping back to that simple element. That was the goal, just to sort of refresh in a modern, clean way.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much for your time. I think Nicole and I are going to go check out the guest rooms and continue the tour.
All right, well, you guys have a great day and have fun,
Thank
and
you.
we'll see you later.
Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
All right,
you.
let's go. So we're in one of the casitas, which is beautiful. So talk a little bit about how you brought your inspiration that you spoke about into reality.
So I wanted to bring modernism, as I mentioned. I also wanted to even out the wood tones, so and lighten everything up, make it clean, fresh, soothing, calming, and have a real organic feel. So I think the lighter wood tones kind of speak to that, and the simplicity also speaks to the luxury nature of the product,
Right.
because to me, luxury really is about simplicity and not being overdone or fussy. So to have the neutral backdrop of the room, but then just have a few native elements like the area rug and the wall hanging,
Yep.
and then a few accessories that really speak to the native culture and the sense of place of
Yep.
you are in the Southwest.
And a lot of the pieces are custom as well, and you worked with Bernhardt Hospitality on those. So let's bring in Dallas Chapman of Bernhardt Hospitality to talk a little bit about that collaboration. Hi, Dallas.
Hey, Stacy, Nicole.
So talk about how you landed on Bernhardt Hospitality and what that collaboration looked like.
I reached out to them with initially about a few of their running line items. And in the process, I learned their custom capabilities and what they could do to help me really bring the design, to a full picture.
And Nicole did a really interesting thing. She took two different parts of our business, the inline part of our business and our custom side of our business, and really collaborated those together and really just developed beautiful furniture. We've been at this 135 years. We love partnering with designers like yourself to create custom furniture, whether it's case goods or seating or outdoor furniture. And we were fortunate in this case to be able to create all three of those product categories, and you just knocked it out of the park, and it's a beautiful property, and we're thrilled to be a partner with you and Four Seasons on this project.
True group effort.
Right, and I think it also speaks to just our consultative approach to custom furniture.
Yeah.
We want to take your design intent, and really find a way to make that piece of furniture work. And I think we did that with the lounge chairs, of course, and the nightstands. Having experts at Bernhardt Hospitality to help guide the designer through that process is something that we take a lot of pride in.
Yeah.
And we really enjoyed working with you through that process. And
Yeah, it was a great process, great team effort.
And it was really great that you could not only do the guest room furniture, but also the outdoor furniture. So let's go see the beautiful patio.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, so what did you want to create out here?
Okay, so in the patio space, we really felt like it needed to be an extension of the guest room. We wanted to just bring the feeling and the ethos of the guest room outside, And with the seasonality of the location, I mean, because we're up in elevation, you really do go through those 4 seasons. And it's important that people can enjoy the patio all year round. And obviously having a fireplace, which not all of the guest rooms have, but it's important that people still can come out here, enjoy the beautiful scenery, and experience the great outdoors.
And I just got to say, I really liked how you used mixed materials out here as well, between the table and the wood grain and the hard surface tops. And that's one thing that Bernhardt Hospitality is really known for, is the mixed materiality.
Yeah.
And you really used that to your advantage and really made this Casita patio absolutely stunning with a lot of different materials, but also keeping it a version of the interior space that you moved it to the exterior.
It was important, and Bernhardt worked beautifully with us on that, especially the stone top for the table, and this side table, the accent piece, which is sort of a faux metal. Yeah.
Right, and we have generational relationships all over the world where we can help source materials and product, and we know certain factories that do certain types of furniture very well. So whether that's accent tables or obviously lounge seating, we have those factory relationships and partnerships across the globe that really help bring your vision to life.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for being here to talk about the collaboration. I think Nicole and I are going to go check out the patio and continue the tour.
All right, thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. All right, let's go.